Hey guys, it's Jazz from Jazz Homes and Edal Construction. We're here at our Hillsborough project. I think the last update that you guys had seen was the basement where they had the water flooding damage happened. It was cut, the sheetrock was cut up to about 2 feet. We re-insulated it, sheetrock. Obviously we had to match the paint, but in this case it becomes very difficult to match the paint if you're only doing work on half of the wall. So actually you have to paint the whole wall. So basically it's all painting now, base more molding, a little bit of work still to go on, but it's all ready to go. I think we might be looking at doing some new flooring. We do have carpet that we're actually working on right now, but as you see, some more caulking, some finished nails, some stuff that's still to be done, but it actually looks like there was never any water damage from the walls. We also decided to go with, let me show you, the on the bottom, so we didn't go with the regular drywall. We actually went with the moisture resistant, the green board, that in case it does get flooded again, or if there's any water damage, it doesn't get it's mold resistant, so it's better for the basement. Okay, even in the closets looks good. Alrighty, so that's it. We're working on possibly we might be working on the flooring, carpet, and then most likely the client's happy, gonna be going up to the second floor kitchen level. Okay, so but yeah, if you have any needs for the basement, water damage, type of flooding that may have happened, if you need us to waterproof it, anything like that, definitely reach out to us, jazzhomesnj.com. Take care, bye.